Hello everyone, my name's Phil with the Go Sold Real Estate Group, powered by eXp. This is Kevin Belzer, and we are back again. Welcome to Chandler, Arizona. Kevin, where exactly are we at?
We are at 1609 East Del Rio Street in Chandler, Arizona.
Welcome to the inside of the property. Kevin, let's talk specs first.
This is a 5-bedroom, 3 full bath, triple split floor plan on all in single level.
That's a mouthful, but one of the huge benefits of the property is that you don't have to worry about stairs.
You don't, and what I like is you've got, like I said, a triple split, so you've got 2 bedrooms up front, master off by itself, and then 2 more at the back of the house.
Great, and then last but not least, what are the specs of the garage?
The garage is a 2-car garage.
Perfect. Welcome to your open kitchen. Kevin, let's talk upgrades.
You got granite countertops, freshly painted black cabinets, as well as stainless steel appliances, and my favorite of those is the double oven.
Great, and then if I have a lot of people over, I don't think I have to worry about any countertop space.
No, I think you can fit, 6 people at this bar area? It's pretty big.
Plenty of countertop space and cabinets. All right, Kevin, so with this property specifically, what are some of the current items that were recently updated to get this property ready to list and sell?
Okay, within the last week, we've done brand new carpet in a couple bedrooms. We had new vinyl flooring put in, lots of paint, lots of minor repairs. We just want to make sure that the next buyer is really taken care of.
Great, and one of the nice parts about this home is not only is it move-in ready, the location is so primo. So stay tuned because we're about to go over where exactly this is located in Chandler. All right, let's talk about backyards and location. Kevin, let's start with the backyard.
We have a diving pool, which is the only one in the whole community. It's absolutely phenomenal. So we have the diving pool, we have the barbecue set up, covered patio back there. It's just a beautiful oasis backyard.
And one of the cool things is with the newer stucco homes, those diving pools are very rare just because a lot of times you'll see them in like the 70s or 80s.
Correct. A lot of times you can't even get them permitted for your property, but they were able to.
All right, and then last but not least, this location, I cannot stress enough, it's pretty much landlocked around here in Chandler.
Yeah, and obviously we love it. Our office is 2 minutes from here. The major cross streets are Ray and Cooper. You have all the shopping because you're on the border of Chandler and Gilbert. So you get your Fry's, you get your malls, your eating places. I mean, anything you can think of is within 2 minutes.
And he's even including the highways themselves. So again, location is primo on this one. And just like with any piece of real estate, location, location, location. So Kevin, if they want to set up a showing, what's the best way to go about doing that?
Phil, we make it super simple. They call 480-305-6655 or go to our website, gosoldrealty.com.
Thank you so much for joining us today. If you have questions about buying or selling, let us know. And until next time, have a great day.